Derringer, test fire, take 1.
Don't miss.
Sean's garage.
Basement.
Basement. It's small.
Might watch your eyes, John.
Let's hope for the best.
Luckily, John's got glasses.
Yeah.
Safety first. That's a good idea, Sean.
You fuckers, all back up.
Okay. Everybody. Clear.
Clear.
No.
Did you hit it?
Yeah, I think it hit the floor. I hit the bottom of the target. I was aiming at the bottom because I was afraid it was.
Nice shot,
I
Ross!
was afraid it was gonna buck. You acted like this thing bucked like a motherfucker, so I was aiming at the bottom.
No, aim center like a normal gun.
You acted like the thing bucked. I hit exactly where I was aiming. There's anybody down there? Okay. Derringer. Shot 2.